spent the morning in Brooklyn. Went to Time Out Market Cafe and waited an hour and 15 minutes for pancakes. They were very good. They were good. I don't know if they were an hour and 15 minute good, but they were good. And now we're heading back to the subway to head back towards Manhattan to go to the World Trade Center Memorial Festival. Let's go. Good evening. Is it evening? It's not even. It's like barely 5 o'clock. We've had a busy day.
It feels like evening.
It feels like midnight.
So we went to the memorial. It was sad.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting to be sad still.
Yeah.
But it was sad.
Yeah, it's very well done.
Mm-hmm.
And the memorial part you can just visit. There's a museum which is in a slightly different area, and then they do like informational tours of the memorial as well that you can do. So there's lots of options, but you can just go and visit.
Then we went into Oculus.
Which is that really cool building.
Yes. I didn't realize that it was a shopping mall.
Yeah, it's a big shopping mall and
It's such an impressive building. I wasn't expecting there to be like
H&M.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, but there's lots of restaurants in there. We ended up getting just some water.
Yeah.
And then there's a subway stop also.
Yep.
So that we got on the
transit,
subway.
yeah.
My hair's doing a thing.
Yeah.
And then where do we go next?
Chelsea Market.
Chelsea Market. The entrance we went into was insanity.
Yeah.
But then we found, I think, a better laid out space that had more local shops.
Yeah. And donuts.
That was
because
more
in case you were concerned, we were going to do a whole trip and I not have donuts.
Don't you worry.
Don't worry, we found donuts.
And then
we walked the Highline.
Yeah, it was really nice.
It was nice and peaceful, and
yeah,
it was
and you get
busy,
to walk,
but it's outside and you're walking, and there's lots of.
Got to walk in between all these really cool buildings.
Yeah, and that ended at Hudson Yards, and the Vessel, which is that.
That was a surprise.
Yeah, And then we headed home. By home, I mean the hotel. And we got some hors d'oeuvres from the M Club because it's Sunday, so it's open again for evening. And I think we're just going to chill for a little bit and then find some dinner. And maybe other stuff. I don't know.
Maybe a drink.
Maybe a drink.
Maybe cheesecake.
Cheesecake, maybe. So we'll let you know when something fun happens. Last morning in New York, we are in the subway, headed to one last stop at Ess-a-bagels before we get on the airplane, because, you know, important things in New York. All right, let's go. Hello, so we've been back home. We just wanted to come and wrap things up. First thing is that if you're flying JetBlue out of JFK, in Terminal 5, which is like JetBlue's terminal, it's called T5. It's that outdoor space. It was awesome.
It has a dog rest area.
Yeah.
It was really nice to just have fresh air.
Yeah, because we were pretty early to the airport, so it was nice to like be outside, but you were already past security and all of that, so that was nice. So we hung out there for a long time.
Yeah.
Don't
bring one giant checked bag.
Yeah, so we thought we would be smart and bring one checked bag.
We thought we'll have 5 hands.
No. So the New York City subway system is not accessible friendly. Everything is stairs. There were stairs everywhere. We had just come from DC where almost every entrance and exit was an escalator and
most
or an
stops
elevator.
Have elevators.
All stairs in New York.
So a 40+ pound bag up and down the stairs with masks on.
Not fun. So next time, or bring a small carry-on bag and a personal item and not one giant checked
Invest
bag.
in like a big backpack.
Yeah, something like that. So, also City Mapper. We talked about it in the other videos, but it's
kind of a lifesaver.
Yeah, so you put in like where you are, where you want to go, and it tells you the best route to take, any delays on the subway, which line and color and number and which way to go, which train to get on, where to get on the train, like are you better off in the middle of the train or the end of the train. It was great. So we ended up using that.
We are not sponsored.
Not sponsored. It was just awesome.
By City Mapper, but we're willing.
So we ended up not taking the Long Island Railroad back because we had bought the unlimited 7-day subway pass. So we already kind of paid for that. So we used that to get back. Took a little longer, but we had time.
It was easy.
Yeah.
One train just stayed on it for a long time.
Yeah. So, have anything else?
Nope.
No?
We had fun.
We had fun. Good time. We'll be back. So, I'm Kirby.
I'm Dana.
From KJF-TravelAdventures. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when all of our new videos drop. Bye!